and the masters of the universe.
Hey guys, I'm Dave.
Hailey.
And welcome to the Weird Kids Show. Oh yes, Hailey got some new shoes, some
And
Pumas.
let me show you things to do.
Oh wait, we're gonna show them that in a second. So, we had Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah.
And today is Black Friday. So, big thing for Black Friday is the shopping. You ask any kid across the Americas, they're gonna say toys. We want toys for Christmas, right?
Yeah,
You like
I
toys.
got a Barbie for Christmas.
She wants Barbies. You like Barbies. She wants Barbies for Christmas and everything. She loves Barbies. But she also enjoys playing with toys with Daddy. So, I introduced her, or I'm going to introduce her, to some of the stuff that was around when I was a kid. Towards the end of my toy playing days, He-Man came out, okay? Masters of the Universe.
He-Man is flying the sky and he
Yeah, and so we've got the entire He-Man DVD collection, okay? And we've been watching some of these episodes and everything. And so today, we're gonna do an epic Masters of the Universe He-Man unboxing, starting with Castle Grayskull. Look at that, Hailey. So this is a set that came out for 2021.
Yeah.
And there was, for a while there, people were having a hard time finding it, but they seem to be plentiful everywhere. Walmart, Target. And that comes with an exclusive figure, Temple of Darkness Sorceress. And so Hailey's going to be that, okay? You want to be her? Okay. So, let's open it. Alright, so we're going to open it.
Let's open it together.
It's got pretty cool graphics to it.
Let's
Look
open
at that.
it together.
And it shows all the different kinds of figures and everything.
There's him right here.
Yeah, oh yeah. We gotta get him, we don't have him. Alright, so we're gonna open this bad boy up and we're gonna free it from this cardboard tomb. Alright, now some people collect this stuff and they want to keep it mint and box. That's fine. But here on the Weird Kids Show, just so you can see what you're gonna get. Alright, so first of all, in the front, all this stuff is spilling out in the back. It comes with all kinds of cool accessories. Whoa! You got anything left in there? No, we've got everything. Okay, so, look, Hailey. So, here we've got the exclusive figure.
Guys, you can come below.
Comment down below, Hailey says. And her wings, look at Hailey, her wings pop up a little bit and everything, and she can fly. Alright, so, yeah, alright, so we got her, we've got a sticker sheet, we've got the destructions, as Keith calls them, to put this together. Yes, I'm going to open this. It's got all the accessories that go with the Castle Grayskull.
You can go right here.
So there's all kinds of stuff that it comes with.
Maybe go right
I'm
here.
going to turn this around so you can see what's inside. All these accessories.
Look at
Now-
the chair.
Oh yeah, it's like a cannon, right? Now, to be honest with you guys, I never had, I had one, I think one, maybe two He-Man figures. I didn't get into the whole line. The reason being, wow, look at that, Hailey. That's Castle Grayskull. He-Man.
He-Man.
He-Man. Now I think this, it opened somehow. I'm gonna figure that out though. So, knock, 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 knock. Who's home? Open the door. Let us in. There we go. So that's how you get in. So I had He-Man. I bought He-Man. And I think I bought Skeletor. Just when the show was just coming out. But I had reached that age to where I started to phase out having an interest in toys and discovered girls, I guess, and young adulthood and stuff. So those were literally, the He-Man figure was like literally the last toy I bought as a teenager. Okay.
Let's collect it.
So yes, let's collect it, and that's what I do now, guys. I'm as an adult, I collect. All right, so we're gonna get this together, and then we're gonna come back. So hang tight, guys. All right, guys, and we're back, and we got Castle Grayskull. What do you think, Hailey?
Look.
Wow,
And
this
you can
thing is
press,
so
see?
cool. I'm not even sure what that does. Kind of looks like a battering ram spinny thing because it's got like a fist on one end and
No, it's a monster pig.
it's a monster pig. All right, so
Octopus thing.
all right, Hailey, stand here. Watch this. You ready? Stand. Oh, let's get her stood up. So this set has all kinds of playability for sure. It's got a throne. I can't get her stood up. That's an elevator. You got like this computer, a ladder, different floors. You got like a laser cannon, and you got a throne. But right here, you sit the figure down in the throne and then turn it. There's a trap door. How cool is that? And then you've got another kind of computer here, and then there's like some kind of a monster pit here. Look at all the monsters in there, Hailey. They look scary.
I just don't want to get on that.
No, you don't want to get them out. You've got a weapons thing here. There's another one here. And then here's...
You know, right here, but it didn't shoot up.
Yeah, all right, come
And
over
it
there.
just
We're going to show.
explode.
And we got the flag up top here. It's a really cool set. Like I said, it's got a lot of playability. You have to break down a little bit. I think you take the ladder off.
What's the
And,
leg?
all right, wait, let's close it up. Let's show them the front. Okay, it folds up. All right, and then right here, here's the front door. There's like a little keyhole here. But unfortunately,
I put this sticker.
yeah, Hailey put some stickers. Unfortunately, you can't open this without a special key, which is He-Man's sword, and we don't have that, do we? Or do we? This is, I told you guys this is going to be an epic unboxing. He-Man, you want to open that one?
I can't walk.
How about Skeletor?
Yeah.
How about another Skeletor? This is the Battle Armor Skeletor
And these ones are good.
with extra stuff. And then we got,
And look.
this is Prince Adam, Sky Sled. Prince Adam is He-Man's alias. You know, he is the normal mortal character that turns into He-Man, and he draws his power from Castle Grayskull and the sword. So first we gotta open He-Man. Come here, Hailey. Now we gotta talk about that after. That's from a different series that was used.
Let's go.
Here, open this one, Hailey. This is He-Man.
I'll open it.
Okay, you open it. Let me help you
Oh,
start.
I
Okay,
got
there you go. So she can open that. We're gonna go crazy. This is Rise of Evil, Keldor, and Origins Cronus. Pretty cool. You can find these at Target. I haven't seen too much of this stuff. Some stuff at Walmart, but not a whole heck of a lot. Look at how cool those guys are, Hailey. I'll show you these. Yeah, all right, I'll help you with that. Here, start opening Skeletor. And we got his He-Man.
Dad, why are you
Why? Because we're opening toys feverishly like rabid monkeys.
Oh.
That's the way I used to open it. Me and your Uncle Guy, my brother, when we get toys under the trees, it was like a wood chipper. Only it wasn't wood, it was Christmas wrapping paper flying all over the place. Alright, so there's He-Man. Now this is the re-envisioned. Yeah, but you can play with it. Now here, look, Hailey, you gotta take his sword. Look, that's He-Man's sword. And put it in there. Push it, open it, it's a key. It's a key. Come over here. You did it. See, it unlocks it. So He-Man's sword unlocks the main door. How cool is that? kinds of characters. So we're gonna get this all unboxed, guys, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna have it all set up, and then we're gonna have some last thoughts on it. So hang tight.
By the power of Grayskull.
All right, guys. So we put it all together, didn't we? We put all the stickers, everything. We got all the figures out, and there's all kinds of. We got more. Looks like we got more bad guys than good guys, Hailey, right?
There's one over there.
Yeah, there's Skeletors. We got a couple of different kinds of Skeletors. There's Prince Adam. Prince Adam is who He-Man is. His alias. That's his sword too. Yeah. And some of these figures come with little comic books, Hailey, right? That's so cool.
I opened them.
Yep, Hailey opened them, but her favorite is this character here. This is the sorceress woman.
I put it on.
And she put the sword on her. That's very cool. So, really nostalgic set. You know, they re-envisioned it and stuff like that. Hopefully, you know, there is the new He-Man, which is produced by Kevin Smith. If you don't know him, he was the guy that did Clerks and Silent Bob. So he's re-envisioned, and there's new He-Man series. Although I've not watched it yet. I think I caught one episode. So there's, you watch it with me, and you're watching some of the older He-Man cartoons with me, aren't you? So anyways, guys, I just thought this would be a fun little treat for you.
Yeah.
Just something from memory lane, and then just something fun with Christmas being around the corner. So are we going to play with this, Hailey? We are. Who are you going to be? You going to be her? There you go. I'm going to be He-Man. He-Man. Now, are you a good guy or a bad guy?
Bad guy.
You're a bad guy? Oh no, so I'm a good guy, so we're enemies.
I'm a bad guy.
These are bad guys, and now I'm jumping! Ah!
And you can go.
Ah! Alright, guys, we appreciate you so much, and until next time, comment down below. We hope you had a great Thanksgiving, guys, and now we're going to start getting into the Christmas season.
Thank you, third the monsters.
Alright, guys, you take care.
Peace.
Thank you. Thank you, Hailey.
Daddy,
Yeah.
let's play with us. Daddy, I love you. Hi, guys. Wow.